Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport Alternator failing issues and provides a general overview of situations where the alternator may not charge the vehicle electrical system as expected. An alternator-related problem is generally associated with reduced charging performance, which can affect battery charging, electrical accessories, and overall vehicle operation. This explanation remains general because charging system behavior can vary by model year, engine configuration, mileage, usage patterns, and maintenance history, and the issue may not apply to every Ford EcoSport. In reviewed technical and service-related information, alternator concerns are not treated as a single uniform failure, but as a condition that can develop under specific circumstances. Some situations may involve reduced charging output during operation, while others may relate to how the charging system responds to electrical load or operating conditions. Older generations may experience charging-related changes due to normal wear over time, while newer models could still show alternator-related concerns depending on usage, electrical demand, or prior repairs. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, alternator-related issues are typically evaluated through charging system testing rather than assumptions. Some situations may be addressed through inspection and correction of charging system components, while others may require further evaluation if a verified fault is identified. Driving habits, electrical load, and maintenance practices can also influence how alternator issues present. In conclusion, alternator failing concerns in the Ford EcoSport can differ depending on vehicle generation, condition, and operating environment. Understanding that charging system issues are not identical across all vehicles helps ensure accurate evaluation and appropriate next steps. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.